Are you looking for a way to improve your TV sound quality but aren't quite sure what you need or even where to start? Imagine that you've just bought a brand new TV and the picture it displays is the best you've ever seen, but the sound isn't quite hitting like you want it to. Modern TVs are amazing. They are thin, usually mounted on a wall, they look great, the picture they produce is stunning, and some are even made to look like artwork to fit in with your home decor. They are incredible, but as I said before, they are thin, which means some may have small internal speakers. If you want the sound to be as good as the picture, you really need to look at adding some kind of external sound system. The range of audio products on the market today is impressive, and there are so many options to choose from. Soundbars, subwoofers, floor-standing speakers, bookshelf speakers, in-ceiling speakers, in-wall speakers, front and rear speakers. With so many options, I can imagine it might be a little overwhelming to find exactly what you need. Today, we are going to give you some tips on choosing the right sound system for your home and budget. Firstly, let's look at TV sound. Most TVs now use downward or backward firing speakers that are too small to deliver a big sound. If you can't see any speakers or the grille behind which the speakers are located, then the speakers aren't facing you. This will mean that the sound bounces off your entertainment unit or the wall behind your TV before it reaches you. You will likely experience loud action sequences followed by soft, barely audible dialogue, and you will probably spend the whole time with the TV remote in your hand adjusting the volume from scene to scene. If this sounds like what you're experiencing at home, then a soundbar will make a noticeable difference that is quick, easy, and can be achieved for under $300.
A soundbar is a compact speaker system that sits under your TV, either wall-mounted or in your entertainment unit. Soundbars have multiple speakers in a single unit that are aimed directly at the listener. If you have a small room and don't have space for multiple speakers, a soundbar will give you great sound with the ability to control the level of volume and bass. They look clean, sleek, and stylish, and they are quick and easy to set up yourself. A good all-in-one soundbar will also let you play music or even pair with your computer if you're a gamer. A soundbar will make a big difference to your TV sound, but if you want even more immersive entertainment experience, then adding a subwoofer is the next step up. A subwoofer will further enhance the bass. It produces the low frequencies that speakers typically cannot, and enables you to hear the soft sounds that might go unheard without one. Adding a subwoofer to your soundbar will give your movie or music a fuller sound. Some soundbar models will come with a wireless subwoofer, so keep an eye out for a combo deal. If you already have a soundbar and subwoofer and want to elevate the sound further, adding some rear speakers would be the next step. For audiophiles and movie enthusiasts who have a dedicated space for TV viewing, a full home theatre solution is the way to go. With a surround speaker set attached to an amplifier, you can take advantage of Dolby Atmos output, not just signal support. This will enable you to hear and feel the sound from every direction. You can also completely customize your speaker setup to your space. The options available here are impressive and extensive. For a tailored solution that gives you a calibrated Dolby Atmos DTS-X home theatre experience, I recommend speaking to one of our specialists in-store or online. To give you some ideas, an entry-level 5.1 channel setup for a small living room would include 5 speakers and 1 subwoofer. A 7.2 channel setup, which is 7 speakers and 2 subwoofers, would suit a large family room. And a top-of-the-range 11.2 channel setup, which is 11 speakers and 2 subwoofers, will be ideal for a dedicated media or cinema room. Paired with a big screen TV or home theatre projector, this is sure to make your movie nights Oscar-worthy.
3 important considerations when choosing your speakers are aesthetics, budget, and setup. Let's look at setup first. Do you want your sound system to be wired or wireless? A wireless setup is a simple plug-and-play solution that is easy to set up, does not require an AV receiver, and gives you the flexibility to move it when or wherever you like. Denon and Sonos are great options in this case. They each offer powerful, compact wireless solutions that will give you a great TV viewing experience, including Dolby Atmos. You can start with the soundbar and add from there, or dive straight in and take advantage of one of our bundle packs. Check out the Denon Home series, and for Sonos, an example surround sound system might be an Arc soundbar, a subwoofer Gen 3, and a pair of Era 300s for the front or rear speakers. Keep an eye out for the Sonos bundle packs on our website. On the other hand, a wired sound system uses an AV receiver to power and control your surround sound system. The AV receiver enables you to fine-tune each component of your system, and this is particularly useful when you have a comprehensive surround sound system with lots of inputs. Once you've chosen the type of setup, the next consideration is aesthetics and budget. For example, you may like to hide some of these speakers. In-ceiling and in-wall speakers are a great option worth looking at here. This will get your speakers off the floor, giving you some space back. It can also enhance the acoustics in the room. Bowers & Wilkins, Klipsch and Polk Audio each offer a great range of integrated solutions. Sonos also have in-wall and in-ceiling speakers that are powered by their own amplifier, in case you decide to go down the Sonos path. On the other hand, you may like a setup that is more of a showpiece. For a top-of-the-range, state-of-the-art setup that are both beautiful to look at and listen to, check out the 700 series from Bowers & Wilkins. Klipsch also have a great range of speakers to suit a more entry or mid-range budget. And lastly, for great value for money, check out the Signature Elite series from Polk Audio. Links to these products can be found in the comments below, and our full range of speakers and soundbars can be found on the Video Pro website. I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like someone to help you find the right audio setup for your home and budget, we have a team of highly knowledgeable AV and sound enthusiasts. To find your nearest Video Pro Experience Centre or chat with us online, visit videopro.com.au.